Hello people, welcome back to your virtual world. This is Arvind and today I'm going to unbox and install the mobile holder for your scooter and scooty. I would recommend this product to connect on your scooter or a scooty because in bikes we have a handle to attach the mobile holder, but we do not have that facility available in your scooter. This is a 360-degree rotation universal motorbike holder, rear view mirror mount stand for all mobiles. This product is available on Amazon. I've mentioned the link in the description. Please do click on the link and purchase it from Amazon for about 439 rupees. Easy to install it under the rear view mirror of the motorcycle. No any other tools required. Flexible and 360-degree rotatable mount. Buckle structure for Cradle guarantee your phone not fall off from the holder, can bring you comfortable experience. Nice appearance design, simple and practical. Required to attach securely and directly just below the side viewing mirror with screw size maximum 10 mm. Smartphone motorbike holder is a universal motorcycle phone mount, suitable for 3.5-inch to 6.5-inch smartphones. Guarantee smartphone never falls off from the holder. Flexible and 360-degree rotating support holder can provide your ideal viewing angle and can grip your phone vertically and sideways firmly. And with soft protective pads for your cell phone can keep your phone in the bike sturdy and stable.